Hey guys, welcome to the channel where I talk about doing car parts and I never actually do them. Oh, that's not right, hold up. What is my actual motto? Oh, hi guys. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm having fun while doing it. That's it. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh my god, that's mommy! That's mommy! Hi, Mama. Oh, as I'm starting, my man Austin is here. Not that I really need help on installing today's video, but it's always fun. It's always a lot more fun when you got somebody helping you. Today we're trying to go ham on the Porsche. We've got several things to install. I'm gonna try and get as much knocked out as possible, but first, and most importantly, I feel like I've been waiting for a very long time to make this thing as loud as it should be. My cars, if you've watched the channel for a long time, have always been way too loud. My goal is to make my neighbors hate me. So today we are going to be installing Soul Performance Products headers. If you guys watched yesterday's video, Leonard, our new friend, unboxed this for us. And, well, people didn't really like him, but you know, you gotta be nice to Leonard. It was his first time making a video, so be nice to him. Everybody say hi to Austin. Oh.
Hi.
My man Austin. Oh, you can deserve a kiss, bro. Come here. Today we're gonna be installing my Soul Performance headers on my 987.2 Cayman, and I'm very excited about it because we're gonna make it as loud as possible. This literally is going to make this car as loud as possible. I'm gonna make all the people around here very upset. Let's get to installing, since that's what I don't do on this channel ever.
What, Evan? You don't own a wrench.
3 videos where I don't actually install stuff. And Evan, quit kill yourself. Much as I would love to do a throwback and work on my car on this side of the garage because there's so much space, I don't feel like moving both of those Jeeps out of the way. We got way too many cars here. But I am gonna back them up so we have access to tools. It should be a fairly easy install. I mean, like we did with this exhaust, all you have to do is jack it up, and the worst part about it really is you just have to take the wheels off. Headers are fairly straightforward. I think the only difference about this Porsche versus like a Honda or just an American car is I'm pretty sure every bolt they use down there for the Porsche is a torque set, which is kind of a pain in the ass because not everybody has Torx, but we do. So we're good. Let's have some fun. Let's get this car as loud as possible. After a little bit of moving stuff around and realizing that, well, we basically realized that there's no way you can work on this side. So we're gonna pull the car in a little bit sideways right here and have a little bit of fun because we're also doing coilovers today. Well, you tell me if I have enough room to jack up on this side. If you say yes, then get out of here. Now that I'm moving it, let me go ahead and give you a little taste and show you guys what it sounds like. A little wimpy startup. We're gonna sound like a man's car now. Much better. All right, baby. The first thing we need to do is start undoing my axle back portion. We'll have to undo the O2 sensor, which is, I guess, easy. We have to undo the exhaust, which is gonna be pretty simple because I kind of destroyed like 2 of the, and then the only part that I'm not like worried about, but might be a little difficult, is getting some of these bolts off from the head, like from the actual engine. But it should be simple. Like there you go, you got some Torx in there. And I'm kind of threatened by these right now. These little guys look kind of threatening. I feel like you make one wrong move, and these guys are gonna snap. They're not gonna like you. Let's see if these, please don't be on super tight. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Praise Jesus. What?
You gotta get you new pants.
Do you have a ripped crotch?
Yes.
Nice. Oh my gosh.
I'm out here repping that ripped crotch, gang. Okay, these are actually really easy to get out. Nice. Bro, we out here. Ow, that's hot as hell. Oh, burn my fingers. Dangle gang. Austin out here working on that. Oh, we got the O2 sensor. I forgot about those. There's another one back there?
Yeah.
Hold on.
You can see the wrenches on it.
Oh, damn. What? Oh, there's a dead spider back here too. I'm taking the car back. Go, we've got the stock OEM header completely disconnected. O2 sensors are out. I got these off as well, so now all I have to do is literally just try and jimmy them out of here. I'm not exactly sure how they're gonna come out, but we'll figure it out. There it is. Yes. Boy, we got it. That is one big mamma jamma. Dude, 202 sensors, a giant cat. This car, we should actually see probably a moderate power gain from this.
Minimum 800 horsepower.
Minimum 800, you think?
Yeah, minimum.
Oh.
And that's to the wheel.
Never mind, guys.
Crank.
Oh, should we go for a startup right now? Before we put these on, they want me to say a few things about the headers that I kind of missed yesterday in the unboxing video. First off, these Soul Performance headers have a lifetime warranty, which is pretty cool. They're also warranted for track use. They encourage track use. These O2 spacers, something that's really cool about them that I didn't actually notice until now is these O2 spacers actually have a catalytic converter inside of them. It's very hard for you to see, but I can see it. So these are really cool O2 spacers. They actually do create some sort of fake catalytic converter for the sniffer. So that's cool. You're not gonna throw any check engine lights. Pretty self-explanatory. Let's go and get these on and get this car started up. I'm ready to hear this. One very dirty boy later, I had some stuff in my eye, so I left for a little bit. Pretty sure it's still in my eye and it hurts, but we got the headers on. I'm probably gonna go ahead and start it up here in a second, just to make sure that there's not any leaks before we patch everything up. We've got this figured out. We've got all the exhaust, the O2 spacers and everything like that. Everything should be pretty good. Just gotta get that rear section exhaust bolted on, and dude, I am so stoked, so ready to hear how this exhaust is gonna sound. I'm so stoked, oh my God. Okay, yo, I just checked Instagram and my dad just, you guys gotta see this.
Those times when Evan was driving my Jeep. Payback, son.
What the hell, Dad? You better let this warm up first. Jeez. My dad just ripped a burnout in my car. Fair enough. You know what? I might have to take this even more mudding now. This ain't a game no more, Dad. It's on. The only thing that's stopping us right now is we're having a lot of trouble getting leverage onto one of these nuts. Austin can't figure out his nut. I hope this car is like, screw you, everybody loud. I hope it's so loud that my boys over in El Paso can hear me whenever I start this car up the first time. Yeah, screw the neighbor gang, bro. Like, I know you guys are gonna hate me. Like, I'm trying to get like everybody, the state, the county, everybody. I'm just kidding. I want everybody to love me. So we don't screw ourselves over, we're gonna keep everything off right now. We're not gonna patch anything up. I'm just gonna start it, check for leaks, and see how this car sounds. Oh my God. I'm ready. Oh. Sorry guys. Oh my God. I cannot wait to get the tires on this thing and rip it down the street. Honestly, at this point, quieting the exhaust and doing the muffled like the valve's closed, no different. Actually, I might have a little bit of a leak right here. Might have to go through and tighten some more stuff.
We have one over here too.
Yeah, okay.
It's like right there.
All right, we can go ahead and try. Oh my God. Oh my God, guys. That is, ooh.
I think that'd be louder than me now.
We're 100%. That idle is so much louder than the Jeep.
Cold start.
Wow, that cold start was unreal. Okay, so we do have a couple exhaust leaks. We're gonna go ahead and fix that. Get the wheels back on. You just smell the exhaust. It's gonna smell straight fumes now. Okay, we figured it out, patched it up. Now we're gonna go ahead give you guys some flybys and some exhaust noises. My favorite part of the video. Hold up a second. I don't have a check engine light now. Okay, hello. Putting on headers literally took out my check engine light. I'm done, dude. Can't be too loud. School zone? Ah. Oh my god! That is so loud! Does it sound pretty good so far, Austin?
Yeah.
This is crazy. This is a dream come true. This might be the loudest car I've owned so far. And I like that. Alright, let me give you guys some good acceleration inside the car.
Sounds like an F1 car.
Dude, this is amazing. Oh my god. If you guys could understand how loud that is. Whoa. I could do a launch right here. How would that, boys? How would that? That's so loud. Let me tell you what, dude. You know, it's nice because it's not overbearing in the car. And that was with my valves open. It sounds really, really good. I'm gonna go ahead and drive a little bit with the exhaust valves closed. Where the heck is it? There it is. Exhaust valves off. So now it's gonna be closed. Now it sounds like a stock GT3 RS. It doesn't sound much quieter, but it might be a little bit nicer when the wife is in the car and she doesn't want to hear whap! Freaking loud. And the downshifts though, unreal. That's still way louder than it was just with the exhaust. That's unreal. So good. All right, I'm gonna give you guys just a few revs outside the car. I'm gonna park. I'm gonna go to this little park by my house because I definitely don't want to really piss off my neighbors right now. So we're gonna go right over here, and hopefully these workers have a great time listening, and all the people actually trying to enjoy the park. Okay, maybe not this park. I don't want to put anybody into the hospital today. We're gonna be nice. We're gonna be nice. You gotta let them know what's up though. Just, you know, that's it. That's it though. That's just what we about. Yep, I know I said I'd be nice to the neighbors, but I changed my mind, I guess. Well guys, that is gonna be it for the exhaust video. Thank you guys for being a part of this. I hope you guys love how it sounds. And by the way, I have a meet and greet April 24th. It's actually on my Instagram. It's with VQDFW, so I'll put the link to that in the description, and it's on my Instagram as well. Hope to see you guys there, and I will definitely be bringing this so you guys can actually feel how loud this car is. Everybody say thank you to Austin for being such a great help today. Follow him on Instagram, Sword Austin, and bug him a lot. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out, and be victorious. Neighbors, I am sorry, but actually that's completely a lie. I'm really not sorry. Make sure you guys watch one of those 2 videos I got right in front of you. Both of them is good, I promise. Watch both of them, and then keep watching. Don't stop.